we both go to school at Elon and we love buoy bowls so much, so we actually drove an hour away to get one for now and then one for later, so good.
It is Thursday, it's 9:40 a.m. and we're getting ready for double shift Thursday, but we have some pretty crappy weather. Got like a 70-80% chance of rain, but then you got the radar that shows it kind of skirting out to the coast. So regardless, we're popping up these two tents right here and we're going to set up and get after it because we have served in the rain, we've served in the snow, and you guys continue to show up. So that's what we're going to do. So gonna pretty much got it ready, just need to park it and get stuff set up, but looking forward to a good day. It's gonna be a long day, but looking forward to it, so let's get it.
My day off, but I still had to come to the purple truck and get my buoy bowls fixed, of course. I love keep going back to buoy bowls because it is good and the customer service is great and they're always happy and smiling and genuine. Yeah, I go to school in Columbia and they don't have acai bowls down there like we do, so I came back and the first thing I had to do was like go to buoy bowls. Yeah, I love it.
At buoy bowls today, it is so wonderful and so amazing. Yeah, it was so good. We're actually coming back tonight for our second one during their second shift.
My name is Carson and I was the BB60 winner this week, so I had to come out to buoy bowls and get my free bowl.
It's 2:46 and we're in between shifts. It's double shift Thursday obviously, and the weather was like 90%, 80% rain or whatever, and not a drop during the shift, and it started kind of slow and then bam, it was busy. So that's great. The rain passed and I think they're calling for it like 100% chance this evening. I'm about to check that out, but 60, 70, 80 or 60, 70% chance for second shift, which is what they're calling for. First shift didn't rain, super busy, so we're now headed to Costco. I need to, because I won't have time after the second shift to get the stuff I need for the rest of the week. Gotta go get some more bananas, which we'll do all that at Costco. Get some change. I gotta call the town of Cary for a spot that we're looking at. It's really time, like I plan on making a decision this week or next, so we can go ahead and get that process rolling, get moved in, and really start banging it out. But yeah, just, you know, like just working. It takes a lot. So we're gonna get a little food, and we've got like 2 hours to be back and a lot to do in between. So hustle mode on. Running here real quick, and this is my banana hub. That's where I get all my bananas and pretty much my change. It's just quicker than going to the bank, and got a really good relationship with these guys here, so they all know me, and
I just walk in the back and grab bananas, as many as I need when they have them. Sometimes I get here before the truck. So we're gonna go in and get some change and some bananas.
Oh.
And get run over. So we are 4:32 and I decided to hit Costco in between and it took a little longer, and as usual now we're running. We're going to be cutting it close for the 5:30 shifts because I still got to get this unloaded and then get to the truck. Then we got to take the truck to get gas and have that window popped for 5:30. The weather is not looking great. Like, I believe that the forecast may actually be true. What they were calling for all day, I think it may finally be coming in, but we got tent set up. We're gonna roll with it anyways. Unless it's a torrential downpour, thunder and lightning, then we'll cancel it, but you gotta show up. You gotta show up, and that's what we're gonna do. So we are trying not to get a speeding ticket, and yeah, that's about it. It's out of the new Daily V and the Ask Gary V, which is another YouTube channel of Gary V's. This is where people call in with a question, or they submit a question like on Twitter or whatever, and then they read it, Gary answers it, and this one just popped up, and the question is, being a brand new YouTube channel, what do you suggest people do in order to accumulate more subscribers and views? Anything absolutely necessary, or does it just come down to patience? And I don't know what he's going to say yet, but kind of universe come together, you know, like because that's a huge question for me, because I don't know YouTube that well. I just know we're trying to document this process, this journey, and then put it out there. And do you run ads against it? Do you? I don't know. So check back in a few minutes because I'm going to listen to the answer. Generator's still running. That's a good thing. Let's just check the gas, you know, like if we may have enough. I don't think so, but what food truck is up there? I can't tell. We're here. It is raining, but it does look like there's already some people here. Oh, we need to put a cone in that parking spot because bombshells. People are probably going to end up in that spot.
Loyal fans that we just come out to Buoy in the rain. Look at us. Wow. Water. I'm Rachel. I'm Abby. And we're identical twins, so we get identical Buoy bowls.
just ate shit. It's pouring rain. And fell again coming out of the truck. Alright, it's 8:40. Been going since like 6 something. Double shift Thursdays, always long, but always well worth it. Today the weather was not in our favor. Thought it was going to be super slow this morning because of the rain, but the rain held off. It was just super overcast and we were busy. Like super busy, and then got some stuff done in between shifts, and then popped it open at 5:30, and forecast was like 90% rain, and it didn't really rain, and we were super busy again, which was kind of shocked us all. And I mean, up until 8 o'clock, people were still coming up. People were underneath the tents in the pouring rain. So super appreciative of y'all's support. Long day. I love Thursdays. Gary, I haven't seen it yet, but Gary V's daily vlog for today was the law of attraction, and basically said, you want to know the secret? It's hard work, and that's the damn truth. There's no way around it. If you're going to build something, you got to put in the work. And this instant gratification stuff just isn't. It's not how it happens. It's long days like this and doing it the right way and trying to help some people along the way. And not everybody's going to agree with you along the way, but my intent is always pure. And literally pouring rain, but yeah, just another good day, man, and get to do it all over again tomorrow. Weather pending, it looks like we may get rained out tomorrow. Like the forecast is really strong for a lot of rain. So, but if it does, yeah, you can see like the rain dripping off of, so we're stoked that rain held out until after we close. So we're gonna get out of here. We're gonna go get some food and then get ready for tomorrow. We appreciate you guys, your support so very much. It means the world to all of us. This is going through some fun times right now, and documenting it is pretty fun. So if you haven't subscribed, please do that, and stay tuned for some more vlogs, and we'll see y'all tomorrow.